We are living in a time, the role models, the champions that we are looking forward to get inspired and followed are fast disappearing from the world. Yesterday, I watched BBC News. I was so alarmed to find a very key news which I heard. One of the countries in the world which I admire is Germany. After the World War II, under the brutal Hitler, the country transformed itself to a social, democratic and very well-managed country. And with the unification of the East and the West, it further strengthened the social fabric, the economic equality, and so many wonderful things in that country. I had the privilege of visiting that country several times on various speaking assignments and visitations. It was a country which I always admire among all the countries in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the news that I heard yesterday is relating to two of the lawmakers of the federal government of the Angela Merkel, the chancellor, German chancellor. In fact, she's stepping down after 6 terms. Another admired leader, but the two of her lawmakers in the parliament of Germany found that they had a corrupt deal with the face mask. They had a major profiting deal. They have profited out of a huge profits on a deal for the face mask for the people of Germany. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, a country like that, there are also lawmakers who do this kind of things. And that is why I say the champions and the role models for us to get inspired soon disappearing in the world. It's not about who is right, where is right. It is what is right. And that's where we need to go after. Because who is right is very subjective. Where is right is also very subjective, because some of these developed, advanced countries are becoming very corrupt. Some of the role models are becoming also like corrupt and get tempted to these economic benefits. So it's not about who is right, where is right, what is right. And that would come to you when you look at yourself, when you look at the society and the planet and the challenges that society and the planet face, and that you would understand what is right, not who is right, not where is right. Ladies and gentlemen, look for what is right and look to do what is right. Nothing but that.